New Blue Lock update is here. Let me show you Mr. Loki. Mr. Loki is the brand new character inside of Blue Lock. This is the fastest character in Blue Lock. If you haven't already seen the trailer, this guy is not playing around. Let me showcase what I'm talking about. Loki. So it's pretty much a super fast character. You will run away from anyone that comes across your path. And in today's video, we'll be showing you every single one of these brand new working codes inside of Blue Lock. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will be gifting a style or flow slot away. So if you need a slot right now, comment down below Loki, just like this. You see that? That is the Loki. Comment Loki right now. I'm gonna be redeeming every single new code inside of Blue Lock. Don't miss any of these codes. The first code, let me zoom it in for you guys. There you go. The first code is going to be LOKI, exclamation point, soon, Loki soon. This is the first code. The next code that you want to redeem is going to be ranked. Ranked is the next code that you need to redeem inside of Blue Lock. And the final 1.15 million. There you go. IQ 1.5 million. Let's check the Loki sign-ups. So far, there is 2.6 million interested. 2.6 million interested. 2.6 million interested. So, Loki, 2.6 million. This is a possible code. I'm saying this is a possible code. It might be 2.7, 2.8, or 2.9. Be sure to like and subscribe.